Hello children, today we will do exercise 4.2. In exercise 4.2, there are word problems on subtraction. In previous chapter also, that is addition chapter, we did word problems. We followed few steps to reach the answer. So our first step is we have to read the statement some carefully. After reading it, second point is we have to get an idea and note down in your register that what are the main statements. After writing the statements, third point is we have to decide that which operation we have to use: addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Now I have decided, after deciding which is the fourth step is we have to solve it. Okay, after solving it, last step is we have to check whether our answer is correct or incorrect, and if it is incorrect we have to correct it. Okay, now let's begin. Question number 1 of exercise 4.2 is the total population of a town is 6,63,420. If the population of males is 4,96,249, find the population of females in the town. I read this question. Now I get an idea. Now I have to write the information. The information is total population is given. Population of males. This is also given. Now I have to find in this question population of females. Now how will I find the population of females? Third point is I have to decide which operation I have to use. So if total population is given and population of males are given, then how I have to find population of female? Very simple. What we have to do? बहुत ज़्यादा population थी, males निकाल दी. What is left? If we have to find what is left, then we have to do subtraction. Here I have decided that I have to do subtraction here. Fine. Now this is our next step. Now second last step is we have to solve it. You know how to subtract? Now you will subtract it and you will find the population of females. Clear? Now our answer is this. Now the final step is you have to check whether your answer is correct or wrong. How will you check? See, this is minuend, this is subtrahend, and this is difference. How will I check? I'll add these two numbers and what will I get? Answer is minuend. आप इन दोनों को ऐड करोगे तो आपका आंसर minuend आ जाएगा. क्लियर? तो इस तरह से आप अपने क्वेश्चन को करने के बाद चेक कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? Now let's move to question number 2. It is also very simple. Let's do it. A farmer grew 68,945 kilogram of rice in a year 2013. एक फार्मर है, उसने राइस ग्रो किया 2013 में. कितना? 68,945. In 2014 he grew 82,405 kg of rice. देखो 2014 में उसने फार्मर ने ग्रो किया 82,405 kg. इट इज मोर देन 2013 में 68,945 kg था और 14 में 82,405 kg है. तो विच इज मोर? 2014 में ज़्यादा ग्रो किया. फाइन. इतना हमने इस क्वेश्चन में से इंफॉर्मेशन ले ली कि 13 में फार्मर ने डैश केजी राइस ग्रो किया और 2014 में इतना केजी राइस ग्रो किया और 2014 में ज़्यादा ग्रो किया. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है, क्या पूछा गया है? हाउ मच मोर राइस डिड ही ग्रो इन 2014? 2014 में कितना ज़्यादा ग्रो किया? अभी हमने देखा 2014 में ज़्यादा है और 2013 में तो उससे कम है. तो हाउ विल वी फाइंड द डिफरेंस? हाउ विल वी फाइंड दैट कितना ज़्यादा ग्रो किया 2014 में? वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. ओके, लेट्स राइट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू write the statements. Rice grown in year 2014. We have to write 2014 first. क्यों? उसको हम पहले क्यों लिखेंगे? क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा है. सब्ट्रैक्शन में हमेशा जो ज़्यादा अमाउंट होता है उसे हम ऊपर लिखते हैं, वो हमारा मिन्यूएंड होता है. ओके, तो हमने राइस ग्रोन इन ईयर 2014 इज 82,405 kg, ये हमने लिखा. देन राइस ग्रोन इन ईयर 2013, this more rice he grew in 2014. I have decided that I have to do subtraction. In the same way you have to decide. You have to think and decide. ये नहीं सोचेंगे that this is the chapter of subtraction, then in all questions we have to do subtraction. No, you have to decide, because in exam we are going to give you question from any chapter. हो सकता है कि आपके एग्जाम में एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन आ जाए, या चारों आ जाए, चारों ऑपरेशन के आ जाए. देन हाउ विल बी यू डू? You have to think over it. You have to decide. You cannot do it without thinking, है ना? So you have to decide. You will decide that here we have to do subtraction. क्योंकि 2014 में ज़्यादा था, 13 में कम है, और 14 में कितना ज़्यादा था you have to find. Then you have to do the subtraction. You will get then at the end you will get the answer. Answer is 13,460 kg. Again you have to check. How will you check? We will add these two numbers and we will get this as the answer. This as the sum. Clear? Question number 3 is, a school library has 25,825 books. There are 7,950 books of Hindi literature, 11,282 books of English literature, and rest are maths books. How many books of maths are there in a library? First of all, get an idea that what is given. In this question, total books are given, and number of Hindi books are given, and number of English books are given, and we have to find the number of maths books. First of all, what we have to do is we will add number of Hindi books and number of English books. Hindi books are given, English books are given, we will add. Always write the numbers according to places. Here places क्या होते हैं? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then 10,000. Always follow this pattern for writing the numbers. Clear? After writing the numbers, you have to add it up. Add it. Okay? Now you will add it. Now you have to find number of maths book. How will we find number of maths book? We will subtract number of Hindi and English books from total books. Okay? Total books are 25,825, and number of Hindi and English books we have find here. This is 19,232. We will subtract these two numbers and we will get the answer. If you know how to borrow, you can borrow it without showing it. Addition also you can do without showing. Now you are continuously doing addition and subtraction sum. If you are able to do, then you can do it without showing. Okay? Fine. Now our answer is 6,593 maths books. Now your homework is question number 4 and question number 5. Thank you.